Hi there! In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can play Roblox in full screen and hide taskbar on your Windows. So the first thing that you will have to do is, of course, pick a game and launch the game that you would want to play, and just wait for it to load. So yeah. So once you're on your game, what you will have to do is basically just click F11 on your phone, or you can actually look here. So as you can see, under your settings, you will just have to click full screen. But if this doesn't work, you could also try going to your taskbar settings, and then just wait for it to load. And then you could also do this. So go to other go to taskbar behaviors, and then you will click automatically hide the taskbar. So yeah, those are the options that you have, and I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.